Hello everyone, I am Avnish pursuing VTech from NIT Kurukshetra. I am in 8th semester at the time of making this video. This video is part of practical lab of Big Data Analysis. In this video, I will show you how to use how to use Twitter API to fetch data. We will also go through some features of API and we will fetch some data also. To fetch data from Twitter API, you must have a Twitter account. Using this account, you should register as a developer also. While registration, Twitter will ask you so many questions like where you will use data, what is the purpose to use tutor data, and where you will show the data. And there is this is some common question like you are a student or professional. Okay, and according to you you can register your tutor, you can register as your well. Okay, I already made my account. After making my account, this is when we hit this URL, and we are on currently we are on the dashboard. Before using any API, you should go through from the documentation. Twitter documentation is very good, and Twitter gives some free API. We are using that API. Okay. To For using any API, there is some keys also. To get those keys, we will make a app. I already make many apps, but for you, I will create another app. But also, Twitter allow only 10 apps. Okay, I already create 4 apps, and this is my fifth app. Data app. Fifth data app. Okay, your API should be your app name should be unique. Okay, actually, I already create 3 app in a day, so I can't create anything. Okay, for just give app name and complete it, and you will the Twitter will show the some API. Okay, I will start with my previous app AVN Twitter. Uh, just click. I am click on the overview, and after for getting those key, I will create the I will Okay, I will click on the key button, and there is a API and secret key. I am regenerating my key, and there is a pop-up. If you regenerate your consumer key, you might need to update your code and app to work properly. Okay, yes, I am regenerating my key, and I am saving. I am saving API key in my code. No need to worry. I will explain this code. This is my Python script. I will explain this code later. Okay, I am saving my key. Actually, the consumer key is the rename of the API key. Okay, and here you can get access token also. Same as well what we did in consumer key. Yes, I am regenerating and the saving the access key as a, and here I got access token secret. Okay, from the yes, I saved them. Here we have completed our work, and we are jumping on the Twitter. Our script, my module name is the twitter2.py input. First, I am putting TubePy, CSV, and time. The first I am explaining what is the use of TubePy in our script. TubePy is a interface between the Tutes and the Tutor's API and the Python. We can use Tutor API as function, and CSV is used for to store our data in CSV file. And for time using time model, we can stop our script, and we can sleep our script for a while. Okay, these are our 4 consumer key. Using these key, we are authenticate our script is original, and here we are authenticate our our API keys, the the TUPI.auth handle, consumer and the consumer secret is the parameter, and set access token, the access key and the access secret. API is the object. Using this object, we call some function to hit API and fetch some data. And CSV, these two lines is opening a CSV file to data as append more and write some data. And here is the search word also. If you want to search some, if you want to tweet that contains some word, like if here I can write Rahul, and we can say that we can write Corona. Then API will fetch those tweets which contain that word. But if you want to, if you have not any specific word, then just leave it blank. And which type of tweet you want to fetch, like tweets and retweet also. And here is our counter, and we count the tweet, how many tweet the our script fetched. Okay, this is a loop. This is the basic loop in the Python. Okay, here we call the API dot search and QPy dot cursor. This is our here we are calling our API what is the keyword, and the what is our query. API dot search is a API that we want to search some API that contain this query, and in one batch we want to fetch five data. We want to fetch five tweets, and from the very beginning dot items. Okay, and here we are printing the counter, print I, and print tweet. Here I am printing the tweet, and after that I am writing the tweet in a CSV file, and for better performance I flush the CSV file. And after getting 20 tweets, I I just this is an infinite loop. So after getting 20 tweet, I break the loop, and here I am giving 0.5 second time. Okay, and now we are running our script. And for a while he is authenticate our tweets. Okay, now our the data is fetching, and we can also search those tweets in in the online also. Here is some URL also. Okay, just wait. Here is URL also, and I will hit this URL, and will I can get original tweet also. Okay, I hit the URL, and okay, and what is the Jack at the rate Jack where Jack pulled the looting mall in year name of school the justice. Okay, and what is yeah, this is the dude. Hmm. Okay, I can search this Control C, Control F, Control V. I'm not search. Okay, let's go with other. Let's go with other URL. And there are so many tweets. That's why we are not able to search those tweets. Okay. And what is the tweet? I also think when yeah, this is the thing. What this is the thing I want to. What I said. Ki I also think when the what here is the tweet, and our API is able to fetch this tweet. Okay. This is a that's this is how we can fetch the API, and also save the tweets in my intuit5.txt, and I I am opening my tweet the file. Okay, tweet data file. Okay, yeah, this is our CSV file, tweet data file. Okay, here you can see the all tweets. Who we okay, this is how we can fetch data from the API. Thank you.